Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate a dolly zoom effect with the help of my slider, a mobile phone, and the object is over here. I will be zooming in or zooming out on this object, and the background is behind that object, and I will be recreating the dolly zoom effect in post in Kinemaster app. So to do this, I have got my do-it-yourself slider here mounted on two light stands at both the ends so that it is very stable and there is no shake. To this do-it-yourself slider, I have connected a ball head clamp, and on top of that I have connected my Samsung S22 Ultra. I have chosen the ultra wide angle lens and I am shooting at 4K 60 frames per second. So this will give me the liberty to tailor the image according to my need and edit it in post in the Kinemaster app. The first prerequisite is to have a slider and ensure that it has got smooth movements. So this is a do-it-yourself slider made out of a cabinet slider. I have uploaded a video on this yesterday and I have just created a video of the demonstration of this slider. You can see it linked up here. So I am just showing you the smooth movement of the slider. It is essential to hold the ball head clamp to prevent shake, and with one hand I am pulling the top layer of the slider. I am zooming back. As I zoom in and out, the object in the foreground will be related to the objects in the background. The background is situated further away. The object in the foreground, which is a Zoom Smooth 5, is in the center of this background. Dolly zoom effect is one where the background converges or diverges from the object in the foreground. So I have shot this footage. Now I'll edit it in post and then we will see the result. I'm going to repeat this process a couple of times until I am satisfied that I have got satisfactory footage, because one never gets it in the first shot. I could get an extension of 24 inches from here to here. Hope I've got some decent footage. I will edit it in post and I will show you the result. I've imported this clip in Kinemaster and I am playing it now. You can watch it here now. I am dollying back from the object, and this is the unedited footage you will get when you dolly out. The dolly zoom effect will be created later. You can see in the natural course the object also becomes smaller in size because the camera is dollying away from the object. We have to reverse this. Now I am going to import the same footage from stabilizer. So this is the footage we saw before. I've imported into Kinemaster and I will play it now. So I'll remove the audio from this footage. So this is the footage, the starting point, and I am dollying away from the gimbal. I have to choose a point to cut it to the right over there will be correct. So I mark that and I choose this scissors icon and trim to the right. So this is the clip which we have to deal with, and we select this clip and then select this pan and zoom function over here. In this pan and zoom function, our goal is to go to the end clip, and this is the end clip, and we have to enlarge this clip to look similar in size to the beginning clip. So we start zooming in here by pinching the screen and expanding it between the thumb and the index finger. The reference point would be the front end of the gimbal, which should touch the baseline. Remember, we should keep the centering also correct. That will be fine. You can see in the right side, the end image is beginning to look similar to the beginning. So we'll play it back again. You can see now that the background is beginning to draw in and envelop the object in the foreground, while the object in the foreground remains the same. Maybe at the end there was a little bit shrinking of the object, so let's redo that again. Enlarge that object here. Go back and the plate. You can now see that the curtains and the door which form the background are drawing in closer, approaching us, while the gimbal on this pedestal remains the same size. So that's the dolly zoom effect created in Kinemaster. One can do a reverse dolly zoom by starting at the starting point and zooming out at the end. So that was the dolly zoom effect with the slider. With the slider you can get a silky smooth dolly zoom effect and this is quite different from with the gimbal, because with the gimbal you have to exert a lot of effort to walk with the heel to toe gait and balancing yourself, whereas with the slider, since it is balanced firmly on light stands, you don't have to worry about any shake in it. Remember that you have to shoot at 60 frames per second, and 4K is better because you can crop in and crop out the image. So this is the do-it-yourself slider. It didn't cost me much. It cost me only 3,000 rupees. You can shoot footage with the dolly zoom like that, zooming in and out, or you can position this in the vertical position and look up and look down. You can get hyperlapse effect of the clouds. You can get a dolly zoom effect of the clouds itself, or while you're approaching a crowded place. Many are the possibilities with this. I will upload further videos on this slider and the other slider with the dolly zoom effect. So if you want to stay connected, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center. Like and share, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center and press the bell icon after subscribing, so that you will receive notifications when I upload further videos like this in future. See you in the next video. Cheers.